No, I haven't seen anybody. Oh, he's running to the yellows. Dropped him by yellow. He went behind the yellow house.
You pushing it?
Yeah, I'm pushing. Killed him. He's behind me. He's west. He's north. He's north. Killed him. He's behind me. He's west. He's north. He's north. Good shit.
Whew. There's that AK in here.
Uh-oh.
That's in front, right? Here.
Oh.
I see him. That's the guy. We're shooting someone at the compound though.
Oh, yep. Getting wanna get the UAZ and go across?
Good.
Oh.
SKS?
Yeah.
I think it's on the compound. Oh, I see him. The other one ran right. The other guy ran right somewhere. He's got a... Wanna move to the house in front?
Yeah.
Wanna move up the hill? Oh, you didn't get it? They're close. I mean... Was that you?
Yeah.
Alright.
This thing ate all the shots, man.
Wanna push him? He's there.
Around us? Coming around us?
They're behind this wall, I think.
Yeah, we gotta push to them. Push left.
You're inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pushing left. Killed him. He's up the hill. I don't got eyes. We could run to this.
They're fighting each other. They're fighting each other right now.
Push to the. Oh, we'll push up the mountain. Good shit.
Yeah, they're not together. They're on opposite sides. One's on our side, and the other one's on the other side. So one's up top of us somewhere.
Alright.
That's you?
No, he shot me. He's at top of the hill. At the tree at the end.
Yeah, see? He sees this guy. He's got to push to us, so be careful. We don't have to go to him.
I'm watching up.
Help you out. He's dead.
He's dead.
We don't have to go to him.
I'm watching up.
Yup, yup.
He's
The
dead.
other guy's at the other side.
I'm healing up, healing up.
I see him, I see him.
By the tree?
Yeah, by the tree straight ahead.
By the tree?
Yeah, by the tree straight ahead.
He's one shot, dude. He's one shot, dude.
Yeah,
Got him.
good shit. Hell yeah.
Last game. Last game. Peek.
Hit him twice?
Got him.
Yeah, good shit. Hell yeah.
Last game. Last game.
Good shit. How many kills you got on that one?
3.
See? Save that shit. Save your perspective.